In today's video, I'll show you a simple trick on how to fix notifications not showing in Telegram. Before we jump into this quick tutorial, tap the link in the description below to follow along, and let's get started. First, open and go to Settings. Click the menu button in the top left corner, then select Settings. Once you're inside Settings, look for Notifications and Sounds. Click on Notifications and Sounds to open Telegram's notification settings. Make sure notifications are enabled. Look for the setting that controls desktop notifications and make sure it is turned on. If desktop notifications are already enabled, check the other notification options in this section. Make sure notifications for private chats, groups, and channels are enabled according to what you want to receive. Next, check whether the specific conversation is muted. You should also check whether the notification problem is affecting one conversation or all of Telegram. And that's it. Your notifications should now pop up instantly. If this quick tutorial helped you solve the problem, hit the like button, subscribe for more tech troubleshooting guides, and drop a comment below if you need help with anything else. Thanks for watching.